Here's a tutorial on how I did this lemon look, and I will show you all the products that I used as well. So a few key things you'll need to start is you're going to want to get these Bedrock Cosmetics water activated eyeliner. I have all of them, but for this look you just need the white and black, the yellow, and the green. These water activated eyeliners have literally lasted me years. This is my receipt, and if you look here, I bought them 3 years ago and I still have them. As you can see, I have definitely used these, but I still have so much product left, and these are made and sold by a small black-owned business, and I've talked to her and she's really sweet, and it's actually one of my dreams to help her blow up her small business. And those are on sale right now. Next, you're gonna want a little pack of art brushes, small fine detail art brushes. I have all of these in my showcase. I can only put one link on a video because I'm a small creator. So the link that I have on this video is going to be for these water activated eyeliners. And if you want more tutorials like this, I honestly suggest getting all of them because these are all that I use. But all the other products are going to be in my showcase, so if you go to my profile, you're going to want to click this little purse right here, and then you'll be able to add everything else in this video if you want or need it. You're going to want a tiny little mirror so you can really focus on getting in there in the details. It would be really hard to look in like a big mirror and do it, so you're going to want a tiny mirror. This one is from the dollar store, and then I have a paintbrush cleaner. You can just use like a cup of water, but I have this little gravity paintbrush cleaner, and there's clean water, and then I clean my brush in it, and then I press this, and it gives me clean water. I love to use it. It's really fun. I have that in my showcase, so I'll clean my brush, and then I'll wipe it off on like a paper towel. Almost everything that I'm going to show you is on sale, and if you buy from this orange shopping cart link, I get a commission from it. You'll pay the same price either way, but it will help me. And if you go to my showcase and add products from there and buy them, that will also help me. And all of that funds, if I make anything off this video, is going to go towards fixing my boyfriend's teeth, because I have the best boyfriend in the world and his teeth are rotting out of his head and I really want to help them. Anyway, let's get into the tutorial. For some reason my audio got messed up, so I'm voicing this over. I am using the uncanny liquid eyeliner, and it's kind of a hidden gem because it comes with 3 different liners and it's only $10 and it lasts me about 3 months. And I like to use the skinny brush, but they have like a thick one and an angled one as well. You can do your eyeliner however you want to do it, but I'll show you how I do mine. I have hooded eyes, so things get lost in the hood. If you have eyes like mine, the best piece of advice I can give you is to keep your eyes open and relaxed when you're doing your eyeliner. I go ahead and I put some like just kind of right on the outside of my eye right there. And then I draw a straight line out. And I curve it a little bit at the end. You can just go straight, but I like to curve it a little bit. And then do the same on the other side. Then you draw a line from the bottom and you connect them. And then you just fill them in, clean them up, and try to match them as best as possible, but they don't have to be perfect. And what's cool about hooded eyes is when your eyes move, you kind of have these little bat wings. Next, we're going to use a heated eyelash curler, which is also in my showcase. It's 1,000 times better than a regular one, and it actually feels pretty nice. It takes 8 seconds to warm up, and then you use it just like a regular eyelash curler. And it's so safe you can even blink when you use it. And then I kind of shimmy it around to try to get my outer lashes as well. I do that 2 or 3 times, and look what a big difference it makes. Now we're going to use the Judy Doll Curling Iron Mascara, black number 1, and we're just going to keep using it till we get a good coat on our lashes, and a good way to do it is to do a little shimmy. Next, you can either use your mascara wand and kind of try to clump them together, or you can pinch them together with your fingers to make them spiky. And you'll do the same with the lower lashes as well. And here's how it looks and what a big difference it makes. This part is probably the most tedious, but it's really cute. Now we get to start drawing our lemons. I'm going to take some water and put it in the yellow, and you want to get the right consistency. You don't want it to be too watery or too thick. Lemons are a mix of a circle and an oval, so we're just going to make an ovular circle. Everything we do, we're going to mirror on the other side as we go along. This lemon looks slightly higher than the other one, and the cool thing about water activated eyeliner is if that happens, you could just put some water on it, take a paper towel, and just wipe it off. Alternatively, if you use foundation, you can put some water on it and just dab it off slowly, add more water and dab it some more, so that you don't mess up your foundation. Now we're going to fill in our lemons and give them a little nip on each side. Now draw a circle right next to your lemon and draw a wedge right on top of both of them. Put a yellow dot on the top and bottom eyelids aligning with the pupil, and this is going to make your eyes really pop. Wash your brush off, wipe it on a paper towel, get some clean water, and then let's dip into the white color. We're going to draw a white circle inside of the yellow. And when it's streaky, we just go in with some more right over top of it. And then the same thing with the wedge. Just the same line, but inside. Remember to mirror the other side. Now in the circle, we're going to draw a small line to the middle. And then we're going to make little wedges connecting with that line. Like that. And then we're going to do a line in the middle of our wedge. And then make little triangle wedges. And put a line across the top. Like so. And then we'll put a few dots on our lemon, kind of on the side. So just give it a little more pizzazz. And remember to mirror the other side. Now I'm going to take the green and we're going to do the lemon leaf. So for our main lemon, we'll just do a little swoop to the side. And then we'll put one in the middle as well. Just tiny, tiny little leaves. Now we're going to get some more yellow and we're just going to fill these little wedges in. And now we have these cute little lemon wedges. And so wherever we want to put the flowers now, we'll just put a little dot somewhere. I try to make it close but not too close so that I have room for the petals that I'm going to do. So I'm just going to put it kind of around the perimeter of the lemons. And then we're going to draw a little lemon on our eyeliner here. Just draw a little circular oval with a little nip on each side. So I drew the shape of the lemons on both sides, and then I'll add more dots for where I want to put flowers. Like so. Now we'll take the white and we'll put a few little dots in this little lemon too. And then we'll start making our flowers. So just gently pressing, and there's a petal. And we'll just go around it, lightly pressing our brush. We have a flower. And what I like to do to make the flowers pop more is go in between the petals and just put more petals so that it looks like a fuller flower, and it almost kind of looks like a firework too. Now that we have everything drawn, I'm going to take Neko Yanen's eyeliner pen in the shade 4. It's a really cute highlighter. Honestly, I don't like most of her products, but this one is good. I like this one. Okay, so I'm just going to take it. I like to put some in the inner corners. Like so. Makes it pop, right? And then I'll draw a little heart on my nose. I think this is an e-girl thing, but I think it's super cute. Little heart. And then I'll draw a little line like so. Not all the way down, just right there. And kind of blend it like that. And then just kind of leave a little bit of a harsh line there. I'll also put some right under my eyebrows. And a little on my cheek, if I can fit it in between the art. I'll blend it out a little bit with my pinky, being careful not to smudge the art. So now we have little pops of highlight, and then I'm going to use this Lime Crime Freckle Pen. I got this a long time ago. I don't recommend it. I put a different freckle pen in my showcase. Apparently they're like racist, so don't use this one. I'm just using it because I've had it for a long time. But I don't support them anymore. And you can take any freckle pen, and I just kind of lightly make some freckles around my face because I think face freckles are so cute. I have a lot of natural freckles, but I love the face cluster freckle look. I like to put one right here and right here too, and kind of at the bottom. So yeah, a little bit of freckles. Next, we're going to do the lips. This is Holika Holika. It's not on TikTok Shop, but I'm going to do a few different lipsticks, and you can choose whatever you want. It's the shade number 9, So Peach, and this is really cool. Again, it's not on the TikTok Shop, so you have to go look for it. But I'll give you a few that are. I like to overline my Cupid's bow just a little bit, because I think it looks cute. This one settles into the lips and makes them look like kind of like more of a natural tint. The only thing about them is you need to do a little, and that's it. And this shade is super cute. And then I'm going to do a few different shades now that are on TikTok Shop that I'll put in my showcase. This is the Judy Doll Ice Watery Gloss in the shade 5. This is my favorite lipstick I use all the time. It is the Peri Para Inky Glow Mood Tint in the shade 13. And this is the same Peri Para product, except it's in the shade 23. I think this one actually looks really good with the lemons. If you'd like more makeup tutorials, please consider following me, and then comment down below a makeup look that you would like me to do a tutorial on next. And even if you can't buy any of the products in this video to help me help my boyfriend fix his teeth, if you click down below and you look at the products and just add them to your cart, that would help me tremendously. And if you just interact in any way, and thank you so much!